Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Timex Electric Dynabeat. This specific model has the A76 model, so the A76 battery, and the equivalent to that is the LR44. As you can see right here, I have a bunch of things on the table. So I have a few of my tools, and also I have a watch press. This will be needed in order to close watches in general if you want to replace batteries or to work on your watches. This particular model can be pressed with your bare hands, but usually watches need an actual watch press. Then we also have the basic watchmaker toolkit. In case you want to start working on your watches, you will find the basic watch tools in order to replace the watch batteries, to adjust the watch straps, so the metallic bracelets, and a bunch of things as well. And also what I would recommend is to go online and purchase the exact battery that you need for your watch. So in this case we have the LR44 or the AG13. As you can see, there are so many watch battery types that you need to have them in order to start working on your watches. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of these tools and also to the watch battery so that you can go and order that before actually replacing it on your watch. So what I'm going to do is take my case back opener, so the watch knife, in order to open the back of the watch. Now here on the right side, right here, we have a small place where we can actually place our tool. So you also have an opening either in the case or in the case back. On more modern Timex watches, you have a small triangle, so an arrow that points to the place where you need to put your watch tool in order to open the back of the watch. So what we are going to do is to place it like this at a very small angle. We are going to use the watch case as a lever in order to push out the case back, and you are also going to hear a small snap, just like that. Now you are going to remove the watch back. Make sure not to touch anything inside the movement, with the exception of the watch battery that you want to replace. These movements are very sensible and you do not want to break them. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So what you want to do now is to take the watch battery either with your pair of tweezers or with your hand. This is the bad battery, so I'm going to throw it away. Then once again, make sure to order the exact watch battery, and as you can see, each watch battery has a number on it. So here we have the A76, and on this one I believe we have the LR44. So what you want to do is to place the watch battery in its place. Always make sure to place it the right way, just like this. And here on the watch back, as you can see, we have a place where the battery would go, and as you can see, it goes the exact way that we actually removed it. So make sure to take your time. In case you do not have the watch battery positioned the right way, do not apply too much pressure because you can actually break the movement. Then we are going to press it, and we are going to hear a click. Now as you can see, the watch isn't moving, but I'm going to give it a small shake. And since it is an electric Timex watch, it usually can need a small shake in order for that small oscillator, so balance wheel that it has, that resembles the mechanical watch, to get going, and then the quartz will actually go and regulate that part. So guys, this is how you replace the watch battery on your Timex Electric Dynabeat. There are a lot of Timex Electric watches that run with the same battery. In case you have a different battery type, once again, make sure to read what writes on the old battery, so on the back of the battery, and then you can easily go online and search for the battery equivalent. So guys, that was the tutorial. Once again, make sure to order all of your watchmaker toolkits and the battery before actually starting to work on your watch. And if you enjoy these type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of other videos as well, including watch restorations, so make sure to check them out. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video.